Hi, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Maria, and welcome to the Sewing Room channel.
Okay, we went shopping again. And the reason why I wanted to go shopping was I just a little while ago released a video on a jelly roll table runner, and this is the placemat that I made out of the same fabric. And I want to make a tablescape to go with this. So we made a trip to the local Dollar Tree store, which is right around the corner from me. And across the street from that is Walmart. And so we went to both of those places to try to find some things for our tablescape.
Yeah, and we'll link the tutorial for the jelly roll table runner below in the about description of this video.
Yeah, and so one of the things, and before I forget, make sure you follow us on Instagram and
at the Sewing Room channel,
and follow us on Facebook.
And don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button, please.
Okay, so now I digress. I forgot what I was talking about. So we went to the Dollar Tree store
because we plan on putting a fall tablescape together using the fall jelly roll table runner.
I went on the Dollar Tree store website, and they had some really cute things in there. And some of it I was able to find in our local store, but it's a very small store. We live in a very small town, so there's not a whole lot here. So I loved what I saw in Dollar Tree, and it's inexpensive.
Right, the best part is everything is only $1.
Okay, so
first,
these were little fall leaves. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. I wanna make a fall garland out of some of my scrap fabrics that I've got here left over from projects. And I bought some twine and some beads and some other items that I hope to put on this garland. So
keep an eye out for that tutorial because we are going to have one on that project.
And it's going to be made, again, to go with the jelly roll table runner. All right, so
what else did we get?
I saw these on the website.
How cute are these?
And this is a scarecrow. I guess you could call them all scarecrows.
Well, we got a little owl,
They have different ones and in different colors. And so I thought this would be cute to set in the center. I like country decor, so I wanted it to be kind of country and just very simple. Not super elegant. I'm not into the elegant stuff.
Yeah, so, not a fine dining type of gal.
Our family is
very casual,
sloppy when they eat.
Just a teensy bit. That's okay.
Barbecue sauce goes.
We're more focused on the eating than on the decor. The decor is for me and Mom.
So that's why I didn't want to buy expensive decor. I thought because I know where all that food's gonna go.
So yeah, we'll leave those there so you guys can see.
Okay, and I thought these were really pretty. I don't know, what do you call these, berries?
I know, we kept struggling. What are
these things? Wait a minute.
It'll say.
Berries is what they said on here.
Oh yeah, these are mini pomegranates.
Mini pomegranates, and this just says berries. Okay.
We thought that was some fun
really
fall
cute. I might
foliage.
break up the stems. I'm not sure yet.
Okay, and then we went to Walmart.
Went to Walmart, and one thing I found there, this is in their seasonal decor section, near the front of the store. At least it was near the front of the store where we go to. And they're little 30 LED micro lights. And so I'm going to try to wind it
into the garland somehow.
So it'll kind of add a little sparkle. And apparently it runs on batteries, so you don't need to worry about stringing a cord across the room.
So we'll let you know how that goes in our video.
Now, I had a problem. Dollar Tree didn't have big candles at all.
At least ours didn't.
At least ours didn't. But it's a small store, and we're grateful to have what we have here. So I went to Walmart, and this is where I purchased their Mainstays pillar candles.
And this is unscented on these.
But these are apple pie.
Warm apple pie. Oh, it smells good. I wish we had pie right now.
My grandmother made the best apple pie. She was raised on a farm in Iowa Falls, Iowa. And so I miss her apple pies. Okay, so this isn't all we got.
Well, before we forget, we just want to remind everyone when we're lighting these, if you're going to use candles like these for decor and wrapping things around them, we suggest not lighting them if you want that lit candle look, you can buy like the electronic candles that are battery operated that you can switch on and off. But we suggest maybe not lighting these.
But we're on a budget here. Remember, my family loves to send food
but
around
if you're,
here.
you know, if you do want to light them, just don't wrap them in anything and maybe keep them on like a candle plate for safety.
So anyway, the garland stuff is going to be strung on this twine, which I bought at Walmart in their craft section. And the beads were also bought at Walmart in the craft section. So our Walmart has a decent fabric and craft section, but they're very low on fabric right now because of the COVID virus. So there's not a lot.
There's delays with shipment and just being able to get inventory.
So it's slow.
It's hit or miss. Sometimes we find some things though.
But as you know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I love decorating towels. So while I was in there, I went and visited the towel section in the housewares area. And I was shocked that they were almost completely out of kitchen towels. Usually they're fully stocked, everything is great. So I was able to get some, and I want to put together a quick Christmas gift project on how to quickly, these are the Pioneer Woman.
Which, by the way, I love her.
Yeah, I know. Manny does too.
Yeah, my dad loves it. She makes really good food.
Yeah.
Check that out.
So I'm going to do a video on how to embellish these towels so you can keep it in mind as a Christmas present. I'll even come up with an idea. These are her placemats. So how you can maybe decorate these just a little bit more if you want to, so everything kind of ties in. And then here are some more of her country napkins. Look at this. You've got red and blue and yellow. So I'm going to try to show you or get a video together giving you suggestions on how to decorate these.
So keep an eye out for those tutorials.
Would be inexpensive gift ideas, and they're semi-homemade.
Which is more my realm.
Yes.
Mom's an expert sewer. I'm more of the like no sew or adding things on to things that are already made.
Right.
So.
And I do want to share a little story with you. She's going to probably be mad at me.
Oh, that's okay.
But when she was in junior high, she signed up for a sewing class.
I didn't do that bad in that class.
Well,
I remember it differently.
Well, let me tell you, she was failing it. Okay.
Did you sew my projects for me or something?
No. I begged her teacher. I said, please let me take this home. She decided, of all things to make, was a quilt. I went, oh. If I had known what was going on.
I don't remember this. I blocked this out of my memory. You didn't. You're scarred.
I didn't. So anyway, I took her to the fabric store. We got the fabric, and I sent her off to class with it. Well, then I get this little note that she's failing. I just went, oh my God. My daughter cannot fail sewing of all things.
Oh my God.
So I went to her teacher and begged the teacher, please let me help her or take it home. I won't sew for her, because the teacher's saying parents always wind up sewing it. And I said, I promise. And I didn't. But I stood over her at the sewing machine. She was so cranky the whole time.
I blocked this out.
Never make a quilt again.
And I haven't. I haven't.
But she did get it pieced together, and I will show it to you sometime.
You still have it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember this at all.
No, I do.
I remember making a pillowcase. That's about all I remember.
Well, anyway, thanks for watching this channel. I hope you got something out of
we hope
this.
you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment. Let us know if you'd like to see more shopping videos.
And hear more family secrets.
Oh. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell so you get notifications.
Enter your email address.
Share this video with your friends.
Right. Do all that stuff.
Follow us on Instagram at The Sewing Room Channel. We also have a Facebook page. It's also called The Sewing Room Channel, so check us out there as well.
You can just go on the internet and enter The Sewing Room Channel, and it'll take you right there.
Exactly. Well, thanks so much for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Happy sewing.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!